How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page so you can manage everything in one place. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in the menu section, simply tap on the drop down arrow and here simply select the page that you want to open. And now here, once you are on the page, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon. And now here, once you are in the page menu section, you simply have to tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, in this section, you simply have to scroll down and simply look for the option called linked accounts. So here inside the linked accounts, simply select Instagram and now here in this section, simply tap on connect account button. And here you simply have to tap on continue and here you have to log in with your Instagram username and password and make sure to allow all permissions so your page and Instagram are fully linked. And once connected, you can post directly from Instagram to your Facebook page, run ads across both platforms, and manage messages in one inbox. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.